Good afternoon, fishermen. There's only two of us here, me and Chris Curry. That's all good. Go and get some more. Rightio, fishermen, go fishing. Way at the end of the cast, like 35-40 metres. 35 metres. I let it sink and gave it 3 winds and bang. Sometimes when they're on, you just go to tighten your line up and you'll get a hit. Just means they're in the area, right? But that's all good. Make the most of it. Came out early this morning. There's fish in here. Me and Peter and myself were here. I went home about 9. The wind swung around to the west. Had some lunch and came back. It's actually nor'wester in town. Oh, here we go, there's stunning fish. Beautiful. As Jake the Mus would say. Go on.